We have a small table that shows the sum of quantity for each quarter, and this is the count of date. That means for this quarter we have 90 days altogether on January, February, and March, and for quarter 2 that was 91 days, and so on. Our goal is to find out average quantity sold on each day for every quarter. That simply means we have to divide 6808 divided by 90. It will give us our result. How do we do this in our DAX function? Let's go here and create a measure. At first, we need to write down our measure name, average quantity. We basically need sum of quantity and count of date. We create a variable that is qty sum, quantity sum, equal to sum of our quantity. Next we need count of date. That is count dim date. We are using our date table here. We got our two variables. Now we are returning divide quantity sum, and we will be dividing it by date count. That's it. When we select this, we have this one. If you calculate manually, 6808 divided by 90 is equal to 7564. It gives you the quarterly result. The same thing if you want to do it on a monthly basis, so it gives us the monthly result. It will automatically calculate the count of date and give you the monthly result for each month. Let's take a look at the function again. When you are declaring the variable, usually there are two parts. On the first part, you declare your variables, and on the second part, you return whatever you want to return. So here in the first part, we declared two variables, and on the second part, line number 5, we wrote return, divide our first variable and our second variable. This is the whole idea of declaring variable in the DAX functions. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.